frick?
And you shake it off a little bit. So there's the queen in here. You gotta make sure. I think she's alive. I can't, yeah, she's in there. I can see her. So you take this down and you put it on the frame, about right there. And you turn it so that it's facing this way, and you put it down in here. Oops, I gotta take the candy. I gotta get the candy in there. Hang on, B.
Hang on,
So
beer.
you take the toothpick, and you take out the cork that's in the bottom, and you put your finger over it real quick so she doesn't come out. Then you take your marshmallow and you shove it down in there. So they'll have something to eat to get her out of there. It's just like a plug.
Bees like sugar, huh?
Yeah. So the marshmallow's in there. Okay, now I set it back down in here. Turn it sideways, like that. Okay. Man. Now I got to shake them again and take this out. Spring a little bit. Oh, I need my tool though to open the end of this.
I got some keys.
I may have to have my tool after all, John.